Hey guys, it is Friday, October the 6th, 2023, and we've got a wet start to the Orange Beach Freedom Festival for this weekend. Saturday, Sunday is supposed to be really nice, but we'll go over and take a look. Today kicks it off 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Gonna have the Bama Cruisin, I believe is what it's called. This is the third annual Orange Beach Freedom Festival. Have lots of vendors and booths. See what we can see today. Thank you for watching the videos. Construction coming along here at the wharf in Orange Beach. Going to be adding some more shops and entertainment area. Going to be an extra addition here to the wharf itself. It is October the 6th, 2023, and we have a wet start to the third annual Orange Beach Freedom Festival. A few of the car enthusiasts braving the wet Friday morning to get their cars on out here. Due to those storm clouds there, we're having a slow start. Just a few cars out today. I'll be back to get more video Saturday, and hopefully this place will be covered over. It's supposed to be very pretty this weekend, but rain holding people off right now. It's about 10 o'clock. They do have a kids area set up here in front of the movie theater here at the wharf. A couple of the police vehicles on display. Pretty cool little Hummer there. Have bounce houses and inflatable slides. Again, this weather's putting a damper on day one. This place will look completely different tomorrow with the better weather. All these little areas will be filled in with cars. People will be crowding the streets, and the booth vendors will be out better. One of my all-time favorites right there. Always love the old school Trans Ams. Beautiful car. The Air Force has their Shadow Strike semi set up. Also the Army National Guard. They do have a climbing wall set up. And another Humvee there with a gun turret on top. Orange Beach Fire Department doing a display of their ladder truck number 3, taking some passengers up in the air there. Pretty cool. Police Department also displaying some of their equipment here at this show this year. This little main street will be packed tomorrow. Expecting much better weather. But they're starting to get it all set up. Also, don't forget, next weekend kicks off the 50th annual Shrimp Festival in Gulf Shores. Hopefully I'll be able to get down that way to get you some video of that also. But planning on being back here tomorrow when the streets are filled up. Tons of cars, tons of people, tons of vendor booths. The Orange Beach Police Department, along with the fire department, have brought out a lot of equipment to display and show. There's bucket truck number 3, taking some passengers up in the air to take a look around. A demonstration down there by the fire department showing how to breach a door. Other little booths, fire and rescues here. To me, the coolest part right now is this ladder truck taking kids up for rides. That's pretty awesome. Appears to be a little meet and greet over here with some of our Orange Beach K-9 officers. That's a cool little aspect this year. Don't ever seeing that in previous years rather. Right over there lined up. I think they're getting the K-9 out of the white vehicle right now. There we go with one of the K-9s out. They're going to do a little demonstration and let the kids meet them. The young guy attempting to breach the door with the fire department display there. Lots of cool interactive hands-on displays this year. Don't let today's weather keep you from coming out tomorrow. It's supposed to be beautiful. It's actually not bad today. Overcast, it's not really raining, but not the pretty sunshine. You can see there in the distance, Bama Bayou being torn down. That's the sound of the equipment that they're using to pull the front of it as they break it down. October the 6th, 2023, 3rd annual Orange Beach Freedom Festival. Today is actually the kickoff day, but it looks more like a pre-day. Tomorrow's gonna be a beautiful day here at the weekend, more cars. Join me tomorrow here at the Orange Beach Freedom Festival. Thank you for watching the videos.